So when you meditate, it's very important at the beginning. You need to have good motivation. It's really important. So what is the good motivation? So why are you going to meditate? It's just benefit for yourself, or it is benefit not just yourself, benefit for more than for yourself. Maybe your friends, family, maybe your puppy, maybe your colleagues, maybe your social group, society, maybe for the world, for world peace. So really important that your meditation is not just for yourself. Of course, for yourself, it's very important to make you calm, peaceful, and grow your inner capacity and the wisdom, compassion, all these things, really important. At the same time, if you become peaceful and if you become more creative, then it will benefit automatically for your spouse, for your family, for your friends, even for your puppy, or society in general. So sometime when I fly in the aeroplane, every time at the beginning of the flight, people going to take off, they have small announcement, and they said how to use this oxygen mask. They say, before helping others, put your own mask first. So therefore, I thought, helping yourself is helping for others. If you try to help others, if you not help yourself, maybe on the way, in the end, you cannot help both, right? So bringing peace in yourself is same as bring peace for your friends and family and colleagues. And for the bigger, when you look at the bigger picture, then the world is kind of like our common part. We all part of in this world. So special if we transform something unique, the influence of that transformation become big, a lot. So normally what we all are part of ripples, you know. When I was young, I practiced meditation. And when I begin to meditate, of course, my father and my grandpa always suggest me to develop motivation. So I always do that, but sometimes forget. I remember the first time when I learned how to read the Tibetan letter, ka, 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 from my grandpa. So we read a little bit. He asked me to read. I have to repeat what he said. And he said, "Wait a minute. Develop motivation." So I don't know what is motivation. I'm thinking I'm going to learn ka, ka, ka for my mom, grandma, and the people in the village. But it's really helped me in my mind. So a sense of meaning. When you put some meaning, the kind of like goal, the positive goal, why are you going to practice meditation? It really helps. So this is important. And the second important thing is when you're going to meditate, don't expect something very special experience about your meditation. So think that I'm going to meditate, but Whether I have good experience or not, I don't care. So normally when I do meditation, I tell myself, the wish to meditate is more important than some actual experience of meditation. Because some actual experience of meditation comes and goes up and down, especially at the beginning. So you cannot trust this experience. Nevertheless, even you are having awful meditation experience right now, but still in your mind you're trying and you wish to meditate. So if you wish to meditate and then try, awareness is right there. Soon as if you want to meditate, awareness is right there. And that wish will bring you authentic meditation experience in the future. So sometimes what we call zero meditation. When you meditate, there's no sense of calm, joyful, clarity, non-conceptual experience, nothing. But still you have wish to meditate and then trying that wish continues, you're trying continuously. So awareness is still there, although there's no particular taste. So there's no meditation, but you are trying. So zero meditation. So that's perfectly okay. So don't expect that I'm going to meditate. Let's see, today I'm going to make my mind calm, peaceful, blissful, peace. Don't do like that. So I'm going to try. Whether I have good experience or not, don't care. Just I want to try my best. So these two things are very important at the beginning. So put the meaning that why you're going to meditate is for others. So that's the compassion. And don't expect too much. Zero meditation.